In this video, guys, I want to talk about the 24-piece button cell battery pack that's available at Harbor Freight. So, I don't know about you guys, but in my cars, I have all kinds of things that take the little button cells. And it might be like a little pen light that I have stowed away someplace. In my trunk, I'll often have these, flashy things you could throw on the road just in case of a roadside issue. Also, some of the stereos I have actually have remotes for the stereo. And anyway, and other things around your house. Sometimes you'll have like one of these step counters, the Humana step counter. They all take the button cells. And there's two frustrating things about the button cells is that they come in so many different sizes, number one. And number two, they can be kind of expensive. If you go to a drugstore and you just need to buy like two of them, they can be like $6 or $7 each. And you're like, really? I gotta spend like 15 bucks for two little button cells? So, over at Harbor Freight, they have the 24-piece button cell multi-pack. And so you can see it basically gives you 6 different types of coin cell or button cell batteries. And it gives you 4 of each. And this is a great value because I think it is $2.99 or $3. And so obviously you use your 20% coupon and you're talking about, $2.50 for all these button cells. Now, one thing I've noticed about these is I don't believe they're lithium. So if you look on the package, you can see that it doesn't say anywhere that they are lithium, and I suspect that they're actually alkaline batteries. And so the alkalines will last you usually 2 to 3 years, as opposed to lithiums, which will last you much longer. I mean, you can have a lithium go almost like 10 years. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to turn you on to. I've been pretty happy with these. And in general, I've been pretty happy with the Thunderbolt Magnum alkaline batteries. I don't like their zinc-based ones. I feel like they just have almost no power whatsoever. But certainly the Thunderbolt Magnum in alkaline, so whether it's the AA's, the AAA's, 9 volts, or these coin cells, I've had pretty good experience with them thus far. It seems like you get a lot of battery bang for your buck. So anyway, guys, just want to turn you guys on to these if you're not aware of them. And I hope you guys are doing well, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Take care.